Welcome to the 8th grade Math Homework Helper Series. Tonight's homework is EL 13, Day 2, using a graph to find the x and y intercepts, the slope, and to write the equation of the line. Start by taking a look at number 1a. First we'll take a look at this line and see how it's laid out. Look at where it crosses the x-intercept and the y-intercept. You can see it crosses the x-axis at point -1, so our x-intercept would be -1. You can also see that it crosses the y-axis at +2, so the y-intercept is 2. The slope, if we determine what it takes to get from this point to the next, we can see we go up 2 and over 1. So it's going to be a slope of 2, or 2 over 1. And the coordinates for the x-intercept would be -1 and then 0. The coordinates for the y-intercept would be 0 and then 2. The equation for this would be y equals the slope 2x plus the y-intercept, which is a +2. Let's take a look at another problem. Now we'll look at 1D. Take a look at the line that's plotted on the graph. You can see it does not interact with the x-axis at all, so our x-intercept is going to be none. Where it crosses the y-axis is at -3, so our y-intercept would be -3. For the slope, remember a line that is vertical. You can also remember the trick. If you look at this as the top, makes a Z, and that's a hint to give you the idea that there is a 0 slope here. The x-intercept coordinates, again, does not interact with the x-axis at all, so there are no x-intercept coordinates. The coordinates for the y would be 0, -3. And if we take the slope and the y-intercept and put that into the equation, we get y equals 0x -3, but we don't have to leave that as 0x. Technically, we could say that this is y equals -3. Please use these problems that were solved for you tonight to help you to solve the additional problems that are on the homework. And remember, the key to success in math is not only working hard, but working smart.